Hello everyone, welcome back to another details camera review. Today in this video I like to share you guys Realme 16 Pro details long time camera review after a 4 month. I am Shadat from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. The Realme 16 Pro comes with a dual camera setup, 200 megapixel main sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel single selfie camera. Alright, first of all, talk about the video quality. The smartphone main camera and selfie camera you can record highest 4K 30fps video, and you also record 1080p 30 60 120fps slow-mo video with EIS and OIS, and this is the video quality. So let me know in the comment what do you think about the Realme 16 Pro camera quality. Now let's talk about the picture quality. The 200 megapixel main sensor take a very good photo in a daylight. All the images have a lot of details and sharpness, and also the color correction are very close to natural, and as you guys see that the camera quality are very good and you guys get a very good idea about the picture sample in a daylight. Now talk about the 8 megapixel ultra wide picture quality. The 8 megapixel ultra wide take a very decent photo. Yeah, the picture is not as much good like a main camera, but is decent. All the images have a good dynamic range and also very good color correction, but you notice some noise. And this is the night photography. Night you also take a very good ultra wide photo with Realme 16 Pro. Now let's talk about the portrait photography. The smartphone you can take a portrait photo 1x, 1.5x, 2x, 3.5x and also 4x. Try to click a portrait photo at 3x and 3.5x to take a better photo. And this is the picture quality. No matter is daylight, low light and night, all the situation you can get a very good result. Without telephoto lens, the Realme 16 Pro really take a very good portrait. So let me know in the comment what do you think about the Realme 16 Pro portrait photography. Now let's talk about the night photography experience. The smartphone you can take a very good night photo at night. The 200 megapixel dual pixel take a very good photo even a low light, and this is the picture quality, and as you can see that all the images have a lot of details and sharpness, and the color correction are very close to natural. So overall you guys get a very good idea about the camera quality at night on the Realme 16 Pro. So let me know in the comment what do you think about the Realme 16 Pro camera quality. Okay, that's all about our long time camera review Realme 16 Pro. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech review like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be seeing you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.